Hello people, this is Draven, and today we will be playing some Unturned, and I just bought this new modded gun, and I've been playing this server for a while, so I'm just going to show you around. You see about the flashlight and a lot less easier to spot. And spikes right here, a ladder up here, and this is pretty much my base, unless you want to see my weapons, which these are all my weapons. What is that? Didn't I have a crate? Didn't I find a crate? Oh, yeah, here it is. Nobody's getting inside my base, just because this door can be opened by anybody but me.